Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today, for this episode of Logging It, I will be showing you how you can install and download the TikTok application for your mobile device. So first, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Tap upon the Google Play Store and then on the search bar, type in TikTok. Tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it and wait for the application to be fully installed. TikTok is a personalized video feed based on what you want. TikTok is a very popular Chinese application. TikTok is a short form video sharing app that allows users to create and share 15-second videos or more than that on any topic. It is a very popular social media application, and just with that, the application has been fully installed in your mobile device. If you tap on open, the application will open. This is how you can install and download the TikTok application for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.